बीते शुक्रवार को फिल्म लिपस्टिक अंडर माय बुरखा रिलीज हुई थी, तो वहीं फिल्म की सक्सेस को लेकर फिल्म की डायरेक्टर अलंकिता श्रीवास्तव ने की खास बातचीत। तो आइए आपको सुनाते हैं उन्होंने क्या कहा।
फिल्म का जो बिगिनिंग होता है, एंड होता है, मिडिल होता है, ऑब्वियसली सब कुछ कॉन्शियस ही होता है। उस तरीके से तो ऐसा नहीं था कि अपने आप कोई एंड हो जाता है, बट मुझे लगा था कि ये सबसे लॉजिकल एंड है। मैं ये नहीं चाहती थी कि हम चूज़ करें उन कैरेक्टर्स के लिए कि वो अगले सुबह क्या करें, और मुझे लगा कि ओपन एंडिंग करेक्ट है इन कैरेक्टर्स के लिए और ज़्यादा रियलिस्टिक भी है, क्योंकि इंडिया में हम बहुत यूज टू हैं कि सब कुछ नीटली टाई अप कर देते हैं कि ये हुआ फिर वो खून भरी मांग की तरह कुछ, मतलब वो रिवेंज टाइप की स्टोरी हो जाए, या सब कुछ मतलब नेक्स्ट डे कुछ करके सब कुछ सॉल्व हो जाए। सो आई डिडंट वांट दैट काइंड ऑफ एन एंडिंग, और रियलिस्टिक एंडिंग जो होती है वो उतनी सेटिस्फैक्ट्री शायद नहीं होती। तो आई थॉट इट्स बेटर टू हैव एन ओपन एंडिंग सो दैट पीपल गो बैक विद दोज थॉट्स ऑफ what will those people do। और ऑल्सो मुझे लगता है कि इतना लाइफ इतना कन्वीनियंट नहीं होता है कि आज रात को कुछ और कल सुबह ही मैं सब कुछ चेंज कर दूँगी। सो आई थिंक इट्स नाइसर दैट इट्स ओपन एंडेड एंड all the women are together, and something has changed inside each of them and they are more empowered now, but we don't know what they'll do.
The film was banned and then it got released with certain cuts and they certificate. So do you think so in this process, somewhere the story gets diluted, or you could add something more to it, or it could be even more better?
The film has been released without any deletions. There were just very few cuts which were just like shortening of some of the sex shots. I don't think the story was affected at all. In fact, if you ask anybody who saw the film earlier at a festival and saw it in the theatre, they cannot tell at all that anything is gone. So I think we are very fortunate. We have a body like the tribunal which actually certified the film and enabled us to release.
The last climax scene, somewhere people were condemning because that there is no that somewhere promote or empowerment.
I think once a filmmaker has made the film and the film is out in public domain, I don't believe in the idea of having to control how people view it and what they take from it. My intent does not matter anymore. What matters is what people get from it. I do feel that there's a lot of judgment of women who smoke and drink, and they're like, oh, she's partying, she's smoking, she's drinking, and we never question men who are doing the same. Not to say that smoking is good, it's terrible for anybody's health, but it's very interesting to see, and I think there's a very interesting article that has come out in the print which actually questions why is it that we only judge women who smoke and we don't have that man didn't get liberated because he was smoking. So I feel we have a lot of double standards, and I think that the film needs to be seen as a whole, and not in terms of whether there was one cigarette or not. And I think, but eventually, it's really up to the person who's watching the film, and everybody's absolutely free to engage with it, critique it, feel whatever they want about it. That's really not up to the makers of the film.
Next to 9 Newsroom की रिपोर्ट।